Look at these beautiful puppies. Just been born this morning. 3 blacks and 2 apricot. 3 girls and 2 boys. Very healthy. Good boy.
Where's your apricot?
Come on, princess, come on. Hello, princess. Look at this other girl. She's so beautiful. She's not bothered. She's not bothered. Look at her. She doesn't care about being hungry. She just wants to sleep. That's all. While the others are sucking their mommy's boobies. Look at this hungry saurus. This one is the firstborn. And look at her. She's so clever. She knows what to do. She knows what to do. Beautiful puppies. I think this one's struggling to find the boobies. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? There's no boobies down there.